Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on painting kitchen cabinets. Whether you're looking to refresh your kitchen's look or add value to your home before selling, painting cabinets can be a cost-effective way to achieve a dramatic transformation. In this video, we'll take you through each step of the process, from preparation to finishing touches, ensuring professional results that you can be proud of. Let's dive in. 1. Planning and preparation. Assessing your cabinets. Determine the material and condition of your cabinets to choose the appropriate paint and primer. Color selection. Decide on the color scheme that complements your kitchen style and existing decor. Gathering supplies. Prepare all the necessary tools and materials, including paint, primer, brushes, rollers, sandpaper, and protective gear. 2. Preparing the workspace. Clearing the area. Remove all items from the cabinets and clear the surrounding space to prevent any damage or obstruction during the painting process. Protecting surfaces. Cover countertops, floors, and appliances with drop cloths or plastic sheets to avoid paint splatters. 3. Removing hardware and cleaning. Removing doors and hardware. Take off cabinet doors, drawers, and hardware such as handles and hinges. Label each piece for easy reassembly. Cleaning surfaces. Thoroughly clean all cabinet surfaces with a mild detergent to remove grease, grime, and residue. Allow them to dry completely before proceeding. 4. Sanding and priming. Sanding. Use fine grit sandpaper to lightly sand the cabinet surfaces, creating a smooth and slightly rough texture for better paint adhesion. Wipe away dust with a tack cloth. Priming. Apply a high-quality primer evenly to all surfaces using a brush or roller. Primer helps the paint adhere better and provides a consistent base for the top coat. 5. Painting. Technique. Use smooth, even strokes to apply the paint, starting with the inside edges and working your way outward. Avoid overloading the brush or roller to prevent drips and streaks. Multiple coats. Apply multiple thin coats of paint, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. This ensures even coverage and a professional finish. Drying time. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying time between coats and before reattaching doors and hardware. 6. Reassembling and finishing. Reattaching hardware. Once the paint is fully dry, reattach the cabinet doors, drawers, and hardware using the labels for guidance. Final touches. Inspect the cabinets for any imperfections or areas that may need touch-ups. Use a small brush to correct any mistakes or blemishes. Clean up. Dispose of used materials properly and clean up your workspace thoroughly. 7. Maintenance and care. Caring for painted cabinets. Avoid harsh chemicals and abrasive cleaners that can damage the paint finish. Instead, use a mild soap and water solution for regular cleaning. Touch UPS. Keep a small amount of touch-up paint on hand for any future nicks or scratches, ensuring your cabinets stay looking fresh for years to come. How to paint kitchen cabinets without sanding. 1. Preparing your cabinets. Discover the essential steps to prepare your cabinets for painting, including cleaning, degreasing, and repairing any surface imperfections. 2. Choosing the right paint. Learn about the different types of paint suitable for kitchen cabinets and how to select the perfect color and finish for your desired look. 3. Priming for success. Find out why primer is crucial for adhesion and durability, and learn how to apply it effectively to ensure optimal paint coverage. 4. Painting techniques. Explore various painting techniques, including brush, roller, and spray application, and discover which method works best for your cabinets. 5. Adding finishing touches. Learn how to add decorative elements, such as new hardware or trim, to enhance the overall appearance of your cabinets. 6. Maintenance tips. Get expert advice on how to care for your newly painted cabinets to ensure long-lasting beauty and durability. How to paint kitchen cabinets white. 1. Preparation is key. Before diving into painting, proper preparation is essential. We'll show you how to remove hardware, clean surfaces, and sand cabinets to ensure a smooth and long-lasting finish. 2. Choose the right paint. Not all paints are created equal when it comes to painting cabinets. Learn about the best types of paint and finishes for durability and a professional result. 3. Prime for success. Primer is a crucial step in achieving a flawless finish. Discover why primer is necessary and how to apply it correctly to ensure adhesion and uniformity. 4. Mastering the technique. Painting cabinets requires patience and precision. We'll demonstrate the best techniques for brush and roller application, including tips for avoiding brush marks and achieving even coverage. 5. Drying and curing. Proper drying and curing times are essential for a durable finish. Learn how to optimize drying times and ensure your cabinets are ready for use. 6. Reassembly and finishing touches. Once the paint is dry, it's time to reattach hardware and add any finishing touches. We'll share advice on reassembly and how to achieve a polished look. 7. Maintenance tips. Keep your newly painted cabinets looking pristine with our maintenance tips and advice on cleaning and touch-ups. How to paint kitchen cabinets without brush marks. Step 1. Preparation. The first step to success is proper preparation. Start by removing all hardware, including handles, hinges, and knobs. Next, thoroughly clean the cabinets to remove any grease, dirt, or residue. This ensures the paint adheres properly and prevents any imperfections in the final finish. Step 2. Sanding. Now, grab your sandpaper and lightly sand the surface of the cabinets. This step smooths out any rough spots and creates a better surface for the paint to adhere to. Be sure to wipe away any dust with a clean cloth before moving on to the next step. Step 3. Prime time. Priming is essential for achieving a flawless finish. Apply a high-quality primer evenly to the cabinets using a roller or sprayer. This step helps seal the surface and ensures an even base for the paint. Allow the primer to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Step 4. Choosing the right paint. When it comes to painting cabinets, choosing the right paint is crucial. Opt for a high-quality paint specifically designed for cabinets, preferably in a satin or semi-gloss finish for durability and easy cleaning. Stir the paint thoroughly before application to ensure a consistent finish. Step 5. Application technique. Now, here's the secret to achieving a brush mark-free finish: the right application technique. Instead of using a brush, reach for a high-density foam roller or a paint sprayer for a smooth and even coat. Work in small sections, applying the paint in thin, even layers, and be sure to maintain a wet edge to prevent streaks. Step 6. Drying and curing. Once you've painted all the cabinets, allow them to dry completely according to the paint manufacturer's instructions. This typically takes a few hours, but for optimal results, allow the cabinets to cure for at least 24 to 48 hours before reattaching the hardware and using the cabinets. Step 7. Enjoy your newly painted cabinets. Congratulations, you successfully painted your kitchen cabinets without any brush marks. Step back and admire your handiwork and enjoy the fresh new look of your kitchen. How to paint kitchen cabinets that are already painted. Step 1. Assess the current condition. Begin by assessing the current condition of your cabinets. Look for any signs of damage, peeling paint, or areas that need special attention. Step 2. Gather your materials. Discuss the materials and tools needed for the project, including paint, primer, sandpaper, brushes, rollers, painter's tape, and protective gear. Step 3. Clean and degrease. Thoroughly clean the cabinets to remove dirt, grease, and grime. Use a degreaser or a solution of water and mild detergent for best results. Step 4. Sanding. Sand the surfaces of the cabinets to create a smooth and paint-ready surface. Focus on removing any existing paint chips or rough spots. Step 5. Apply primer. Apply a high-quality primer to the cabinets to ensure proper adhesion and long-lasting results. Use a brush or roller to apply an even coat, covering all surfaces. Step 6. Choose your paint. Select a paint color and finish that complements your kitchen's aesthetic. Consider using a durable, washable paint designed for cabinets and trim. Step 7. Paint the cabinets. Using smooth, even strokes, apply the paint to the cabinets. Work in small sections and be mindful of drips and uneven coverage. Step 8. Allow to dry. Allow the first coat of paint to dry completely before applying additional coats. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying times. Step 9. Apply additional coats, if needed. If necessary, apply additional coats of paint for full coverage and a professional finish. Sand lightly between coats for smoothness. Step 10. Reattach hardware. Once the paint is fully dry, reattach any hardware, such as knobs and handles, to the cabinets. Step 11. Finishing touches. Complete the transformation by adding any final touches, such as decorative accents or new hardware, to enhance the look of your cabinets. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your kitchen cabinets with a fresh coat of paint. By following these step-by-step instructions and investing time and effort into the process, you've achieved a professional-looking result that enhances the overall appearance of your kitchen. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we can't wait to see your stunning kitchen makeover. If you have any questions or tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.